Okay, that was on video too.
It's all right.
Okay. Look, paintless dent repair. What's it going to do for your customer? It's going to keep their vehicles looking better longer. Is that important? Okay. But not as important as what Chris said. It's going to create a higher value for your vehicle when you go to trade or sell it. Look, you've gotten a ding or dent, right? You didn't get it fixed.
Nope.
Why?
Didn't really
You,
care.
well, you didn't really care. You've gotten dings and dents. Did you get mad when you saw them?
Yeah.
Yeah. We get mad at the first or second or third one. After that, we get used to it. But we end up paying for them anyway. It just takes a year or two or three or four or five before that happens. Now, let me ask this question. Can I extend the coverage past a year?
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Okay, would it be good to let the customer know that? Because wouldn't we like our F&I department to